In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page in PDF file in Adobe Scan. Now, the first thing you have to do, you must have a scanned document. So I do have one over here, as you can see. If you don't know how to do this, I have separate tutorial videos on how to do it. So go watch those first. And then you want to basically tap on that specific PDF document here, either in the Home tab or in the File tab. And then at the bottom, you have an option saying Modify. So when you tap on the Modify button, you'll be able to see, there we go, it's going to say keep scanning at the bottom. So currently I have one page only, but if I tap on keep scanning, I'll be able to essentially add a page by scanning a new page like this. It's going to start looking for a document, it can't find it, so what you can do is just tap at the bottom left where you can see the image. Of course you can scan if you want to, but you can also add an image. So I'm going to add this image over here, tap on the check mark top right, and that's going to add a second page. As you can see, it says page 2 of 2, and now I can tap on save PDF at the bottom right. It's going to save the PDF, and this PDF is now going to have 2 pages. So as you can see, there we go. If I now tap on it, it's going to allow me to basically see and preview the PDF, and you can see here it has 2 pages. Now in my case, it's the same page, but you get the point. If you have different ones, you can do that as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.